All right, so now that you've watched that first video and kind of gotten the hang of what the structure of class is going to look like, we're going to talk about how Google Class is going to work really fast. So I'm going to just go ahead and click on A&M's screen. So your class code is up here. That's never going to change. You should have already logged in and be ready. I mean, obviously, if you're watching this video. This first screen, the stream, is just like a live feed of everything that I am uploading, which is obviously a ton, and it's not very well organized. Instead, we're going to operate mostly out of the classwork screen. So if we click up here, then everything is split up into different days. So today we're on Welcome to Star Bootcamp. You've already watched the Watch Me First video, and then you finished your question. Day 2, all I have uploaded so far is a question. I don't have the video done. So we have welcome, day 1, day 2, and as we continue, more days will be uploaded. At the bottom, we have our homework help. So this is for every single day of Star Prep. So today, for example, tomorrow is April 25th. So on April 25th, if you're struggling with the homework, you can click on I need homework help, and it has videos from YouTube just explaining in a different way than I explain, because maybe my way is not making sense to you. So you can check out any of these videos, and they are for every single day. If you are towards the end of Star Prep and you're like, I didn't need help on the homework, but now that I think about it, I need some help going between fraction, decimal, and percent. All this stuff will stay up here, and these videos will stay up here the whole time. So if at any point you need help with any of these skills, you can just look for the skill name or the date if you just need help on the homework. As we scroll down, there are also some tips and tricks for test anxiety. These videos are super short, but also really, really helpful if this is something that you struggle with, which for most of us, it is. At the very end of our class, of our little classwork tab, we have this section called Mastery Quizzes. We're only going to do 3 of these. They're just going to come up once a week. We'll do them on Friday during class time. So you're not required to do these for homework or anything. We're not really going to mess with these until they're specifically assigned to you. Like I said, that'll happen on Fridays. So you can see like this one's due April 26th, this one's due on May 3rd, and this one is due on May 9th. So as those due dates come up, you will be prompted, and it'll say, like, when you log into Google Classroom, hey, you have an assignment on Miss Zamora's A&M homeroom, whatever, and it will say you have to do this mastery quiz. If you have any questions, make sure you write them down. The tabs are still over here, so if you don't want to scroll down, if you want to go like homework help, it's all right there, and it pulls up all of the videos for you all at once. So you can kind of play with this. Again, if you have any questions, make sure you're writing them down and bring them to the small group so that I can answer them then, rather than me having to like run around the whole room, because I'm going to try and as much as possible stay with my small group.